Good morning, Robinsons Malabon! Go Negosyo, ito pong 3M ang pinakamalaking free one-on-one mentorship dito sa buong Pilipinas.
We are very honored to be part of your journey, to be entrepreneurs dito sa Go Negosyo event. We will be here to welcome you once you become entrepreneurs, and we are waiting for that moment that we can recruit and help you in your entrepreneurship journey.
Sa pamamagitan ng proyektong ito, kami ay nagbibigay ng mahalagang mga advice, pagsasanay at mentoring upang tulungan ang ating mga kapwa Malabueño na magsimula, ipagpatuloy at pahusayin ang kanilang mga negosyo.
Dito sa mga ganitong proyekto sa ating mga Go Negosyo event, marami po tayong matututunan.
Content creating helps a lot kasi po kapag post ka ng post, kapag naghihikayat ka ng mga tao na bumili ng products mo, and also kapag naging brand ambassador ka ng sarili mong product, mas madali mo siya makikater sa mga tao, and mas madali silang magtitiwala sa products mo.
And I'm extremely happy to see that our economy is gradually becoming more inclusive. Small entrepreneurs are now able to come out on social media and be followed by many people, and that's how you can get your products known out there. So again, congratulations for attending this event. That is the first important step in becoming a successful entrepreneur. Passion, perseverance, and hard work will take you in that pathway of success. Maraming salamat and good luck.